What is a heat pump water heater? Heat pump water heaters, sometimes called hybrid water heaters, run on electric power but use different technology than standard electric water heaters. Did you know you could get a rebate for your heat pump water heater? If you had a heat pump water heater with energy factor 2.0 or higher installed during 2011, you are eligible for a $400 rebate and possibly a $300 tax credit. Interested in getting one installed? All qualifying units can be installed by a smart systems professional or yourself. For more information, call 845-897-1299 or visit www.mid-hudsonplumbing.com.